Sugar saved by Doghouse Rescue Academy. Meet Sugar. Sugar was surrendered due to no fault of his own. His previous family really had no time for him. He's kid, dog, and cat friendly. He also has no reactions to the farm animals at his foster trainer's home. This sweet boy went to the vet for a routine visit. He is healthy and happy. Dr. Larry and staff absolutely loved him, and he loved every second of the attention he was receiving.
Bandit's about 10 years old. He does have a heart murmur. He is receiving treatment for it. He's learning his basics. He does good in a crate.
He was calm, patient, and loving. Perfect gentleman. Sugar is dog cat people friendly. He loves everyone. Good with dogs of all sizes.
He's a little shy at first, but once he opens up, he's pretty much a well-formed dog.
He can be a little rambunctious at times as he's still young, so older children may be best. He's a dog you can literally take anywhere and he will be happy.
Burger is just a baby. So far, he's good with everybody. All the dogs, anyway. Get him, Sugar. So get in your applications because they need homes. They are all so sweet. Really, really good boys.
He is more than ready for his forever home. Sugar is approximately 2 years old. He is a mixed breed. He has plenty of training under his belt. He knows his stuff. Just needs a family to take the time to work him.
I'm gonna put this puppy in his place. You gonna tell him?
Please contact Doghouse Rescue Academy if you can.